Hey guys, Coach Derek here today with my tip of the day, and this is on how to use the door strap to anchor your exertube bands or whatever you like. Door strap typically comes with a housing to fit all your bands or accessories, and a nylon strip with a plastic dowel sewn in at the end here. And all you have to do here is take the door strap at the brackets on your door. You will anchor the strap at the high, middle, or low position. Close that door, pull this tight, and then lock the door. This will instantaneously turn any door into a home gym. So all you have to do here is take the door strap, open it up, slide the handle through the large opening, and slide it down. This can hold many straps, and by the magic of internet, here we go with all your straps attached to it, and you can anchor that to any door if you like. You can even take a carabiner, hook it onto the door strap, and hook that carabiner to any equipment that you like to use. Again, exertubes are an excellent, portable, convenient, guaranteed way that you can continue to become your own gym anywhere, anytime with this door strap. And that's my tip of the day. I'm Coach Derek, and I'll see you soon.